According to the latest information, HMD Global is currently developing a new mid-range smartphone that takes up the design of the Nokia Lumia 920 but modernizes it a little, especially in terms of the screen edges and the look of the camera module. However, the smartphone should still offer a colorful case with a flat top and bottom that also frames the screen. This will help the phone to withstand drops better and also make the case color visible from the front. In terms of features, this mid-range smartphone is said to offer a 32MP selfie camera and a 108MP main camera with PureView branding, in addition to a 2MP sensor. The device will flaunt an FHD plus AMOLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate support. However, the size of the display is still a mystery. It will have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7's Gen 2 of 4nm ARM chip from 2023, which has 4 ARM Cortex-A78 performance cores with clock frequencies of up to 2.4 GHz and 4 Cortex-A55 efficiency cores at 1.95 GHz, with codename Tomcat and 8 GB RAM. The device scored 965 in the single-core round and 2625 in the multi-core segment. The smartphone will run out of the box on the latest Android 14. HMD is expected to pack a 4,900 mAh battery with support for 33W charging. The phone is likely to have an IP67 rated build. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.